they say?
They asking who I am, asking who I be, asking who I am, they asking who I be. Just know I'm traumatized, young nigga breathing through them stones so many times. I walked away when they were pulling on my arms. Every day I'm taking chances for my life through the storm. I talk to God about my problems, so we my true form. On Florida, big, they had my baby just so my child can be formed. Heartbroken, I was misspoken, been betrayed by the woman. And the heart that had the pain deep inside, another reason I'm born. Money don't mean things, she go over your brain like a G-Fortune. No AC units in the crib, mama get mad when it's scorched. I told the devil, fuck it, people, I hope they gay cause I'm chosen. Yeah, I hope they gay cause I'm chosen. I hope the gay cause I'm chosen. Never got a chance to win. Grandma died in that bed, saw her crying, glad she like the world to sin. I'm better than my fault, choice, my shit put me in that pen. I ain't moves on it, on you post, so God don't fuck with piss. I ain't kidding, no niggas, I ain't step out there, I had to get it in. Been cut the block almost every day, young and ready to spin. Started knowing that she love me, smell the blunt, talk about some kid. Rubber stomach in the morning, her one day I will be big. My business started waking myself, getting no motherfucking mix. I told the other side about peace, I'm just like I'm sick. I'm walking God on earth, no disrespect, I walk with my pigs. Mama taught me treat the girls right and throw rocks at the tricks. Brother taught me how to move along, even though he facing 10. No we for that was smoking strong, no spinning, right or wrong. I'm in this cell writing these songs with you. All it takes is just one call, and I'm still riding with God. Even though I'm fighting these demons, I shot the head off Mary Shaw.
Right around, yeah, I'm double down. Right around, no, we smoking on that stone, no, we riding right around, and on that,